How you doing? This is Mari Cruz, bringing the gap between the rich and the poor, coming for the great state of Texas. And I'm in three places right now to talk about the crypto crash. We had a correction, a 30% correction yesterday in the last 24 hours. And everything started in Black Friday. So there's the news everywhere in the news is saying that 300 billion Bitcoin and crypto price crash after start Fed warning. The Bitcoin price dropped to around 51. Actually, it went down to 47 or something like that. After trading around 69,000 just weeks ago, a fall of almost 30%. The latest move. Sudden 400 billion crypto price rout sees Bitcoin crash under. Bitcoin price plunged below 50,000 Saturday. Bitcoin price, how much the value has recovered since the last week. I personally think it's going to be a bigger correction than that in the next 6 months. So I'm going to predict this. In the next 6 months, there's going to be a stock market crash, a 90% correction stock market crash. And when that happens, the crypto market will go down a lot. So imagine having a bunch of money and seeing your money in the last 24 hours go drop $5,000. How would you deal with that? If you're doing manual trading and if you're hodling, you will be freaking out. But those of us that do bot trading, cool, calm, and collected. Why? Because whatever goes down is going to go up. 1, 2, the bots are making me money. So it doesn't matter if the market crashes even 30, 40, 50%. And I want to show you all these bot accounts and how, even though the crash happened since Black Friday, we've been having a market crash in the crypto market. And it's actually connected to the stock market. Start researching that every time the stock market is shaky or rocky, that usually the crypto market is affected. Let me show you some bot accounts of several people. 9 accounts. How you doing? And if you have any question, please ask me. I can see you, but I don't know who you are. Just so you know. If you have questions, just ask me. So I'm going to show these accounts and show you that the reason why I do crypto bots is because we can capitalize on that volatility of the crypto market to advantage, especially when the market crashes. And so I'm going to show you my screen. And I need to go to, okay. So let's go here. Let's go here. Because I want you to see the red. Listen, most people already would have dumped all their coins. Some people that I knew would have dumped their coins. Look at all the red here. Look at all the red here. Let me refresh. Red, 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 out of range, meaning that it drops so low that the bots are out of the grids. They're not making any money. But not all the bots, not all the people happen. The out of range thing happened to everybody. Some of the bots are out of range, which is normal in a crash because the correction was a lot. And I'm just gonna refresh everything, guys. And let me see that everything, you can see me well. Nope. Can't talk to anybody. Let me put a do not disturb thing. So that's the one thing that I want to stress. When you're doing bot trading, it's different. It's different because the reason that we do this is to actually lower our risk. If you can win 65% of the time, would you? And let me make this. How can I make this bigger? So these are my bots, okay? Look at this. You can see that the market has crashed. Okay. The market has crashed. Let me go back here. That the market has crashed 27%, 0.39, 15%, 28, and the coin pairs, 7 coin pairs. Look at this. Even though the market crashed and most of the things are red, I still made 12% return of investment. I had some bots that are out of range, 2, 3, 4. But look at this. This one went 45% up. 8.82% daily. This is a leverage coin. Now, this one is not doing too good. But the point is this. When you are making more money than you're losing, with this strategy, it makes sense to do this strategy. Now, what is the strategy that I'm doing and all these people are doing is basically showing up, taking a class called The Plan by Dan Hollins, and learning secret strategies that he's actually picked along years of manual trading, years of hodling, and years of crypto bot trading. Just hand it to you in a silver platter by taking this class. And a class is only 7 classes. That's it. And if you there's also an intermediate botting with leverage coins, which are these type of coins here. But if you just want to start making money without working, this is for you. Because the time for actually us, working our behinds 9 to 5, all that stuff, it's just not worth it. It's too much hassle. So look at this. So the portfolio went 0.12%, even though the market went down negative 6.92 here altogether. So why do I care about the crash? Let me explain that. First of all, let's say that you have a house and you buy your house at 80,000. No, you buy your house at 200,000. And then your house drops from 200,000 to 100,000 in when it's appraised. And you're living in the house. Did you lose $100,000? No, you didn't, because you are not selling the house. It is the same concept with the coins, with the coin pairs. I'm not selling. So this value went down a lot, but the value will go up again. So what people don't understand is that you have to have a level head in the psychology of buying the dip, because most people don't buy. I heard something about when the people are greedy, don't be greedy. When the people are fearful, be greedy. That's a true thing in this type of strategy. So basically, Dan teaches you how to exploit the volatility of the crypto market, especially when the market crashes. And this is an example of that. Let me show you this. So I actually had somewhere an image here. Where is it? Let me stop sharing for a second. An image of calculations I had of how much money. Actually, I think I can go to Facebook to get that. Because I want to show you that, because I think a lot of people are not understanding what I'm talking about. Okay, that's it. Let me put that here. Because if people understood that you can make money without working, and that you can actually have a better financial life, like the rich people, in a very low investment entry level, everybody will be running to here to get into this opportunity, that it will be the best opportunity in your life. So I don't know if you can see. Let me see. Let me go back to. That's not it. I got so many tabs. Okay, here. Yeah. So you were seeing, yeah. So I want to show you this because this is a calculation. So some of the bots that I had, and they were older. I think it was yesterday or the day before that I calculated this. So each of these bots, even the ones that are the crappiest, like KCS USDT. Why do I have KCS USDT? Because I'm in KuCoin, and when you own KCS, you pay 20% less fees. And Maker and Taker is 0.08, but 20% less of that, which is almost negligible, is more profit that you keep to yourself. So the first bot, 5.7 per month in a $3,000 investment, 171. I don't really have it to make money. I have it to actually get KCS, and I pay less. The second bot sends to USDT to the old 22%. Remember, it's $3,000 investment minimum. 22%, $660 in a month, approximately. This is approximate calculations because some of these bots are new. The SAN 3S USDT with a $3,000 investment is making me 4.75. Well, actually, that went up. That's 184% interest in a month. That's $5,520 with a $3,000 investment. So I actually calculated the number so you can understand that this is huge. That's the better. The next one is OPCT. Is making 10% in a month, $300 in a $3,000 investment. Rev USDT, 20%, $600 in a month, and $3,000 investment. The Render, 7.2, $216 in a $3,000 investment. Skr, 39% on a $3,000 investment. You will make $170 if that keeps. I will make that if it keeps doing the same type of interest, daily interest. 21% in the next one, 630 profit. 28.5% in the next one, $855 profit. 34.2 in a month interest, and 1,026 profit. 8.7% and a 261 profit. 11.4% and 341. And if I add all these with all these bots that I have, remember each of these bots is $3,000. I probably can make $12,320 with all these bots. And if you notice, they were already red. Of course, they actually got worse and dropped in value. But you can, if you don't see the opportunity in this, you're going to miss on something that is not offered to most people. Most people are not doing bot trading, if you don't know that. Most people right now are not doing bot trading. So let's check the difference because these are my bots from yesterday. Look, 1679. Okay, let's see. If you notice, these are the same bots. They have gone down significantly. Way worse than whatever. Look. 0.48, 27, well, 27 per actually. Yeah, I forgot that I added some bots, sorry. 27%. This one went 15% from the day before. It was 4.58. So it was creating 0.66 daily percent. That's a little bit more over 0.5%. And it's still the same, even though it dropped 15%. You see that? I want to compare this with the other stuff. The other one, Senso USD3 was negative 15%, 2.21. It went 26%. The daily went down, but it's still making money. Still making 3% right now overall, because these are the daily and this is the bot profit. Look at the SAN 3S. It went 44% up. 203, 8.82 in 6 days. That's daily interest of 8.82 daily. So this one, SAN USD 3, SAN 3S is 203. When I had it before was 94, so it went up even though it crashed. This was yesterday or the day before yesterday. That wasn't that long ago, guys. That's what was shocking to me, that even though my portfolio went down thousands and thousands of dollars down in value, I still made a lot of money. That was shocking. And if you don't understand that, if you're doing crypto and you're not doing this type of strategy, which is crypto grid bot trading, you are actually losing an opportunity to make money, life-changing money in crashes. While everybody's losing money, and it actually makes me sad because a lot of people lost a lot of money yesterday. I mean, we're talking about millions of dollars. I mean, they said 300 billion Bitcoin and crypto price crash after start Fed warning. So if you keep comparing this, like OPCT, $8, 3.18. OPCT went negative 8.47. It still went up 0.64. So the bot profit went down, but it's still making money. The rev is it was negative 850. It went double in negative and change, but it's still making 0.41 a day. It was making before 1.79, but it made money anyway. It was $18 yesterday and it's now 30. Render BTC. Of course, the BTC coins are very effective because Bitcoin is the one that crashed the most. Negative 10%. It was 8.99 and it was making 4%. And it was making 4%. It's actually making more now, even though it's negative. And it 134. Look at this. It was $90 and it went from yesterday to today to 134. The Scur BTC is 1.4435. The Scur BTC 44, 1.80, 0.23 daily in interest. So it was 44 before it was 35. So even though the percentage went down, $35. What's it? Let me see. So you can see, I mean, just compare this. Anyway, some of the stuff were red. Now everything is red. We got some bots out of range, as you can see. That means that they went so low. Let's check the one that went the lowest, this one. They went so low, they're out of the lines. And when they get out of these lines, they don't make any money. So right now they're out of range. But you know what happens when they go back to the lines again? They start making money and they buy the coins at a very, very cheap price. So as they go up and go up and go up and go up and go up, and it gets to the green area, which we don't have any green area because it's crashed so much, they're going to be selling your little pieces of those coins to make you more money. Okay? This concept, I know, is a little bit difficult to understand. How can the market crash and we're still making money? Because look, the market for my portfolio, it says here that it went negative 682, but I'm making 12%. So if this was both green, let's say that this was 6.86 green, then I was making 18% of my portfolio. But as long as I don't close the bots and sell as long as I don't sell the coins, I don't actually lose anything. So most people right now were panicking and selling. They will be like dump, dump, dump. And that's when people lose a lot of money. So if you want to learn how to do this, I have other accounts. Let me see. Let me stop sharing. I'm just going to take a picture because I don't want to share. I don't want anybody see the links and, anybody else's links. If this doesn't give you a like, it just blows your mind. I don't know what will blow your mind. So this class teaches you, let me talk a little bit about what the class will actually teach you. First of all, wiggle your way to crypto wealth. You'll discover everything you need to know, from getting your money into crypto, to using automations, to make daily profits from your crypto, and everything in between. The first session teaches an overview of the plan and crypto. Second session teaches you how to set up a HODL bot. HODL bot is a bot that is going to be on for a year, holding money, but at the same time, it's going to make you money. Unlike hodling, normal hodling, where you don't make money until you sell. Session 3 teaches you exchanges, stable coins, standard coin bots. Fourth session is standard coin bots part 2. Fifth session is the savings vault. Sixth session, closing bots and bot regridding. And actually, let me just share this since I'm there. Might as well share this here. Share that so you can see it. Okay, where am I? Here. So let me share this so you can see it. So let me, since there's somebody else here, let me just show again my screen and show, like I said, the bots, because that's what everybody wants to see, that even though the bots, the market crashed 30% yesterday, I'm still making money. 3% daily average day. That means that 3% by 30 is 90%. 4.11 daily. This is daily interest, guys. 0.66, 0.63, 8.2, and this is with the market crashing. Look at this. Negative 26%, negative 15%, negative 26.58. Look at this. Even though the market crashed, this one went 43% up. This is making 8.82% daily. Okay. And I was showing this from yesterday. This is my calculations from yesterday in a screenshot. And you can see that all the bots, even though they crashed, the market crashed 30% correction, I still make money in the last 24 hours. And this is a calculation of my profit, my estimated profit, taking the daily interest, using $3,000 because each bot is $3,000. By the way, nobody tells you to start all these bots. Dan wants you not to start more than invest more than $25,000. He doesn't want anybody new doing that. So nobody tells you to start more than one bot. And one bot is $3,000. But according to what I actually calculated yesterday, you can see this. If my bots keep doing the same thing in the next 30 days, my approximately profit is $12,320. And that's without me working, without me doing nothing. Because once you set the bots, you forget it. You forget it, okay? So let me go back so you can see. You see the bots from the day before. These are my bots today. And let me share. Let me refresh the link. So you can see. And 12% return of investment on all this portfolio, even though the market, my coin portfolio crashed 6.50 in 24 hours. Because if you notice this here, it was like 0.47 here when I took a screenshot the day before. So from 0.47 to 6.49, the bot profit was 16.79. That was yesterday. 2,117 even in a market crash. If you have any questions, please ask me. So that's an example of how you can make money with crypto bots in a crash. So, and this crash was the worst that I've been part of, because I've been doing crypto bots for 4 months. 4 months with including the demo bots, 3 months including the live bots. Okay. So let me see if you have any questions, because I can't see. I can't see who it is, but I know somebody's watching. Okay. Anyway, you can see that that's an example of. I'm gonna take some pictures so you can see, but a lot of people are actually have lost a lot of money. And if you're one of those people, you don't have to keep trying to buy low and sell high, or being worried and freaking out every time the market crashes, because the market is going to crash worse in the next 6 months. That's my prediction. It's going to be at least a 50% correction or more. Remember, I said it on December 4th at 12:36 p.m. So if you want to learn, I was going to show you. Yeah, that's what I was going to show. Where is it? If you want to learn how to do this, we got 2 days, 13 hours, 23 minutes, and 26 seconds. This is what the class I was saying, what the class teaches. Why do you need to pay for this? Because this is an intellectual property of Dan Hollings. Because he's teaching you he made millions and millions of dollars using the secret strategy. Showing you. That's session 4. Session 5. Session 6. Two days, 13 hours, 22 minutes, 41 seconds. You can pay Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, American Express. You get a bonus. Best support ever, 24/7, 365 customer support. You get office hours. You get crypto exchange deep dive. Okay? So when does the training start? The training will be delivered via Zoom starting on December 16. The session dates are December 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22. Session starts at 12 noon Pacific and can last approximately between 90 to 180 minutes. All sessions are recorded, and recordings are posted in the members area within 24 hours of the live Zoom event. You will be automatically registered to attend each session, provided you have signed the NDA at least 24 hours before the session start time. You have to sign a legal agreement, because I cannot tell you how to set up a bot. I cannot show you my controls. I cannot tell you what are the strategies, because it's not my intellectual property. How is the training delivered? The training will be delivered via the Zoom starting on December 16. You will be automatically registered, attend each session, provided you have signed the NDA at least 24 hours before the session start time. Are all of the phases of plan included? No. Each of the phases of the plan is a unique and separate training course. Each phase teaches a unique crypto investment strategy that stands alone, which is why they are taught in different courses. Do you take cut of the crypto profits? No, never. We are not a fund, and we do not manage your money, and any profits you may earn following the plan are 100% yours and within your control. We are an educational company who provides digital courses about cryptocurrencies, coin pairs, crypto exchanges, hodling. So you don't have to know anything about crypto, is the main thing. Is this an investment in a fund or other type of security? Are you a financial advisor? No to both. The plan is comprised of educational courses that provide information about cryptocurrency, coin pairs, crypto exchanges, hodling, DeFi, blockchain, and other crypto-related matters as Dan understands them. Today, you're purchasing the course named The Plan Phase 1, Grid Bot Goal, which teaches you specifically about using bots to trade crypto. Why the non-disclosure? The information is proprietary, and as such, we only want members of the plan to have access to it. It's that incredible. It is. I can't even tell you. I can set up a bot in 2 minutes, and I set it and forget it, and I'm done. Can I share my member login with a family member? You can share with any immediate family member who lives in the same household. You can share the information with an official business partner, meaning you have a legal entity you have formed with that person. All the specific details are in the NDA. What about taxes on crypto? The basic layman's answer is yes, you'll pay taxes. Generally speaking, the more money you make from crypto, the more taxes you pay. Remember, however, that you only pay taxes on profits. Of course, every country has its own tax laws. By the way, we have over 104 countries in the plan. Does this work outside the United States? Absolutely. In fact, we have customers in more than 100 countries making the plan work for them. How exactly do I make money with this? You buy low, sell high. You sell crypto sometime in the future for a price higher than what you pay for. This is a traditional way that most folks invest with crypto to try to make profit. Off the wiggle, your crypto bots are buying and selling micro amounts of crypto automatically multiple times per day. These bots are programming to only sell a bit of crypto for a price higher than it bought for. These are small profits, but they can add up, and they are immediately available to you at your exchange to do whatever you please. Interest. You'll find there are crypto savings vaults out there that pay interest between 6 to 10% per year, depending on a multitude of factors. Can I lose money with this? If you lose your password, you lose access to your cryptocurrency. Simple as that. Therefore, we teach you the best practices to protect your crypto. Or if you don't follow the step-by-step plan, system in the plan, then you can certainly lose. And yes, even if you follow exactly what is taught, you may lose some or even all of your money. Why? Because there's no sure thing. So do your due diligence. Thus far, the plan has worked overwhelmingly well for us, and we anticipate it to continue to work well. What all do I need to purchase to make this work? You'll need the third-party trading platform to run the crypto bots. You can start with a 69 monthly option, which allow you to run up to 5 active crypto bots at once. Once you're successful enough to grow beyond that, then you can upgrade to their 149 monthly option to run up to 20 active bots. I'm in that actually now. I mean, in the beginning, I started with the 69 one, and I actually just upgraded a week ago because I wanted more than 5 bots. Remember, each bot is $3,000. Once you select enough to grow beyond that, then you can upgrade to run 20 active bots. We do not own this software. We just like it. Dan receives affiliate compensation if you sign up for the software to this affiliate link. Also, you need to invest in cryptocurrencies when you decide to implement what you learn in the plan. The minimum recommended amount is $3,000 in any cryptocurrency for which you like to run a bot. That's a minimum investment, $3,000. So $3,500 for the class, $3,000 investment for coins and the bots. And logically, right before taxes, you need to get a crypto tax tracking software, and that's $664 a year. I'm new to crypto. Should I do this? It is opinion that most experienced crypto buyers don't really know what they're doing, and they certainly don't have a plan or system. Often they don't even really own the crypto they're purchasing. We designed the plan under the assumption that going in, you have zero knowledge of crypto. If you never owned crypto before, great. We walk you step by step to the best way to purchase crypto. Still fuzzy on even what crypto is or what terms like DeFi or blockchain mean? No sweat, we'll break it down to you. We and many other crypto experts think that crypto is the future, Web3 being one such an example. So we feel it inevitable that you need to learn about crypto at some point in the near future, one way or another. I already own crypto. Can I use it for my crypto bots? Yeah. Yes, you can. Yes, if it's in an exchange that is solid, secure and reputable, chances are it can be directly connected straight to the crypto automation software needed to run the bots. I don't have trading experience. Is this right for me? We're not fans of trading in the common way most people view it, that someone can time the market and know when to buy low and sell high. Not only that, most people who trade only hold an asset for a short while, tend to work many long hours, studying charts and learning all sorts of esoteric quantitative analysis and technical indicators. We have a different approach with the plan. First, you only need a few minutes per week to devote to your bots. Second, we don't guess whether the market will go up or down. We just focus on the fact that crypto is volatile and follow a simple rules-based approach to capture that volatility by using bots to do the work for us. How to withdraw my crypto profits? Crypto exchanges have a sell option that lets you sell your crypto bank back into the fiat currency of your choice, dollar, yen, pound, euro. It's similar to how you transfer money from one bank to the other, or even from one account to another. Each exchange is a bit, but that's also in the class. How much time will it take me to get started? Hardly any, which is why the plan is so popular. In fact, the best strategy often revolves around you not doing anything and letting the bots take care of it for you. With over 9,000 customers in 104 countries who have gone through our initial beta program of the plan, I was beta too, we find it takes about 5 to 10 hours to get a solid foundational understanding of the materials in the course and to be able to set up your first bot. That's it, 5 to 10 hours. Setting up the bot itself takes about an hour or two the first time you do it. No, it will not take you that, because if you get in through my link, and yes, I get a commission, I will help you do that in less time than that. After your bot is live, it almost entirely hands off. Once you get some experience, you'll find bots that take less than 5 minutes. Actually, I take 2 minutes to do mine. Why don't you offer a guarantee? We had over 9,000 people go through the course so far, as in its less polished, rough and around the edges version. None of them had a money back guarantee behind them. And what we discovered is this: it made them more committed to going through the program and implementing what they learned. Often a money back guarantee is merely a marketing tactic to make up for a product that otherwise lacks the obvious effectiveness to allow it to stand on its own merit. Basically, what he's saying is that they believe so much in this course that this will work, that you don't need a guarantee. And I know, because I've been doing this for 4 months. What? Okay, yeah. How do I know what crypto to buy and when? We'll show you exactly what to look for when it comes to the cryptos that work well for crypto bots. Not only would you be able to spot the cryptocurrencies that meet the requirements we suggest for a bot, you also learn the exact parameters on how that bot should be set up. You find it's all black and white and easy to follow and understand. Plus, you will get a practice that we teach you to use demo bots where you don't risk a penny. I love demo bots. And lastly, what happens when the countdown timer on this page hits 0? Then you will no longer be able to sign up. If you try to click on any button, you only get a pop-up message informing you that the offer is closed. Like I said, it says 2 days, 13 hours, 12 minutes, and 17 seconds. This is how much it costs. It's a 4 installment payment of $9.97. Plus tax where applicable, and $3,497 one time. So after you sign up, you need a non-disclosure and customer participation agreement within 24 hours. And then once they do that, then they will send you your credentials, and then you can get, in the members area. Disclaimer: we are not accountants, financial advisors, neither attorneys or tax advisors, and as such, we cannot and do not give advice or financial law or legal matters. Our training and services are for educational purpose only. So all that you need is in this class. You don't need to learn anything else. You don't need to know how to do day trading or any of that stuff. That's all outdated way of doing crypto, where a lot of people, actually 95% of manual traders, lose their money. And hodling takes too long. So I see you there, guys. Like I said, let me share my screen again, since you want to show. I'm going to show the bots before I go. So if you're interested in learning more about this, guys, there's no best opportunity than this right now. Let me show you the bots before I go. These are my bots. Even though the market went down 30% yesterday, negative 30%, My portfolio only went down 6.71. Yes, some of my bots went 26%, 29%, 26%. But look at this. I actually took a screenshot of my bots yesterday, and that was during the crash. This is how much money I had profited, 1679, and from that till today, 2117. So even in the crash, I made money. And that's the main thing that I want you to get from this. 2, this is passive income. I make money without working. Once you set up a bot in 2 minutes, you set it and forget it. And 3, go watch the webinar on the link below. I'm going to show you really fast other accounts before I go that are not my accounts. 7,731 in 2 months. 7,513 in 1 month and 20 days. 4,950 in 3 months. 10,765 in 2 months. 9,069 in 2 months. 12,925 in 12 days. Yes, 12 days. 6,070 in 3 months. And lastly, 6,260 in 2 months. So if you want to learn how to do this, all you need to take is a class. The class teaches you everything that you need to actually learn in there. So go to cryptobotplan.com to actually watch the webinar and watch it with your significant other, so you can actually start the new year 2022, start making money without working. Passive income is where it's at. The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. Learn what they're doing and start actually making money like them with a low investment, because you don't have to have millions of dollars to go into the stock market. You can actually start basically, if I count the class and the investment and the bots, you can start with $7,000 investment and start making money from the first time you set up your bots. So when the market crashes, we still make cash. So I'm going to go. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell, like, comment, and share. And this is Mari Cruz, bridging the gap between the rich and the poor, coming from the great state of Texas. And if you have any questions after you watch the webinar, contact me. My email is here. There's a link tree and here. And send me a message. This is Mari Cruz. Take care. Happy holidays.